So here's a question for you. Do you like listening to music? You ever listen to music and get paid for it? In this video, I'm going to show you secret websites all over the internet that will pay you just to listen to music. You're on a jog, you're in your car, wherever you are. It doesn't matter if you're on your phone, your tablet, your computer, wherever. You're just listening to music and you're getting paid for it. And before we get started, if it's your first time on this channel, my name is the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment by making money online. And if you're infamous too, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, the first website right here is called radioearn.com, and as you can see, earn alone or with your website with listening radio. It's a little confusing to read that. I'm bad at reading, but that doesn't matter. We're here to make money online. Listen, so this is how it works. You sign up, you sign in, you start your radio, you use the API, and as you can see, you can earn and get payouts, okay, just for listening to the radio. The beauty of this process here, and I've tried it, I've made some money, you do not have to actually actively listen to this stuff. You can just leave your computer on, your laptop on, your tablet on, and kind of just walk away. Or just leave it playing somewhere, or hell, leave it on mute. Doesn't even really matter. As long as the system picks up that you're playing the music, even if you're not really there, you start getting rewarded, you start getting points, you start earning income just from listening to the music. Okay, now we're in the dashboard to radioearn.com. So this is what it's going to look like after you create an account. This is what your dashboard looks like, and all you have to do is go over to start earning, select the radio, and you can start these different radios. You can start radio 1, radio 2, radio 3, and as you can see, you earn points every 15 minutes for listening to these stations. You have a dance party station, you have a mixed music. Who knows, you might actually like the music on here, okay? You might actually start by just trying to make money online, but then you end up just jamming to the music, okay? So don't sell it too short so far. It's actually, some of it was actually pretty good. I like the dance party radio. I listened to it and it was okay. I actually enjoyed some of the songs on there, okay? Now, before you start earning on this site or any of the sites that I'm gonna go through in this video, make sure you watch over and over and go through step by step, learning each single website and combine them, okay? You can make multiple income streams on the same day from different websites. But there's a step that I skipped. And you want to first and foremost make sure that you have a PayPal account, because a lot of these websites, I would say all of these websites, pay you in PayPal money, which makes it so that you get paid all over the world. This works worldwide, okay? Long as you can get a PayPal account in your country, you can get paid by using this method, by listening to the radio, by listening to music online, getting paid doing that. Okay, now the next site is called MusicXray.com. MusicXray is the leading industry standard, okay? Just like their website even says up here, they claim it. I believe it. I don't think they'd be lying. And this is yet another site where you can come in here and listen to music, and they will pay you to listen to music. They have over 2,000 available opportunities, all styles, all genres. So Radio Earn was very limited in what types of music that they had to listen to, but MusicXray does not, okay? They cover all kinds of different styles and genres. You're a fan of different types of music, so you can sit here on MusicXray for a pretty long time and try out all kinds of different music. Now, this is a way to not only get paid, but you will also probably discover a lot of new artists, new bands, people you've never heard of, and who knows, you might become a fan of some of the music. So that's just another added benefit to this make money online stuff. You're making money, you're happy, you're going to the moon, and you're also discovering new music if you're a big music fanatic like I am. Now, last but not least on our list is a website called Predictor.com. Now, big companies, big music companies, especially record labels, etc., they pay a lot of money to have like focus groups and just have people judge music before it even comes out. But instead, they've been shifting to this online thing where just a few select people like yourself, you create an account here on Hit Predictor, and you listen to new music. You listen to artists that maybe are on the shelf and they're not sure about putting them out or putting money behind them or putting all kinds of marketing dollars and cents and touring and stuff like that before they know that this artist can make some hits, that this artist really can shine on a public stage, right? So you come in here to hitpredictor.com, and it's exactly what the name implies. You can predict the next hit. So you're listening to all this different music, and what they want you to do is they want you to write reviews on the music. They want you to give your opinion. You're making money for giving opinions on music. I know that you're listening to music right now. You're listening to music that your friends recommend, etc., and it's terrible or it's good or whatever, and you like to talk about your opinion on music all day, every single day, and it gets annoying and people want you to shut up. But this website doesn't want you to shut up, okay? This website wants you to give your opinion, and they will pay you for it, okay? So if you're a music aficionado, you're a music critic, and most people are, there's all kinds of different genres and styles and everything on here, different artists you may or may not have heard of, listen to radio stations, and you can influence actual hits and actual artists that are coming out. You can be the one to say, months ago I already heard that song, I knew it was going to be a hit because I gave a review on hitpredictor.com and they paid me for it too. So you can legit make a living on this site just being a music critic, just listening to music and giving your opinion, okay? And this is one of the best websites for listening to music and getting paid for it. Now, if you want to know my absolute favorite way of making money online, then click the link in the description below where I show you how I've helped hundreds of people make money online the best way, the most passive way. This is the infamous Joel, and I'm out.